Hi guys, let me show you how I save about 300 Rand per month on my electricity bill. The kitchen appliance is called a RemoskaSA and it's truly phenomenal. It uses about 80% less electricity than my conventional oven. It's 6 times more efficient than my air fryer and it's about 10 times easier to clean too. Now, if you're a mother, parent or professional, I know the only 2 luxuries you never get to truly experience after a long hard day working are time and money. And now that Eskom's new tariff increases are in full swing and the city of Cape Town has imposed a special cleaning fee of 300 Rand per household per month, the time for saving money on your increasing utilities is now. Look, as a father myself, this ingenious cooking appliance allows me more free time while saving on electricity and preparing more delicious and healthier meals for myself and my family. Keep watching this video and you're going to see exactly how I do it. The RemoskaSA is available in 2 sizes and uses only about 400 watts to 580 watts of electricity per hour. Okay, let's put that into perspective. My air fryer uses 2,500 watts and my oven uses almost double that at 4,500 watts. In fact, the RemoskaSA is also highly recommended for anyone using home solar too because of its energy consumption rating. What does it cook? Well, just about anything. From cakes to scones, curries to stews, fish to desserts, literally anything. You can go check out their website for yourself. There are thousands of free recipes online when you search for RemoskaSA recipes. Also, if you wanted to cook pre-made meals from frozen like Woolies chicken pies, you can do that too. It's way healthier than using the microwave. A RemoskaSA is like a mini portable oven, only way better. Now, I bought mine on special from the seller directly, RemoskaSA, which came with a free stainless steel cooking rack, free delivery, and free recipe book. I see there are units for sale at Takealot and Macro online with the free recipe book only. So if you wanted to cut out the middleman for a sweeter deal for more free extras for yourself, you can by ordering from RemoskaSA directly. It comes with a warranty and a guarantee. Let me show you how easy and efficiently I tackle Monday night meals with my RemoskaSA using only 5 store-bought ingredients. Well, 7 if you count the olive oil and the chicken stock, but most houses have those condiments in stock already. First, I cut the onion into cubes and shove it into the chicken cavity with some salt and pepper. You can add some mixed herbs if you really want. Next, pour some olive oil into a coffee cup and add some chicken stock, with more salt and pepper for the basting sauce. The RemoskaSA has a non-stick Teflon coated base and lid that is both BPA and PFOA free. When you place the stainless steel cooking grid into the pot with the chicken, you'll want to protect it from scratches and abrasions, so I use a bit of wax paper to keep mine looking as good as new when I use my free rack. Then, coat the chicken in your basting sauce with a basting brush and add your potatoes and carrots. You can use the remainder of your chicken basting sauce on these items too. Once everything is coated, simply place everything inside the pot and simply turn it on. The RemoskaSA cooks everything together, which is why their meals are so flavorsome. There's no need to preheat the pot or set a specific temperature. There's only one on-off switch and it's super easy to use. So leave it switched on and place on the cooking stand for about 60 minutes. Okay. So my chicken was large and cost about 110 Rand. So I prefer 45 minutes on each side, which gives me enough time to watch 2 episodes of my favorite series while doing a quick load of washing too. For anyone wanting a bit of green on the side, I usually cast in a bit of long stem broccoli into my RemoskaSA for about 5 minutes before it's nearly done. Once the time has expired, simply switch off the appliance, dish and serve to please. The 2-liter RemoskaSA is large enough to cook for 2 to 3 people and the 4-liter RemoskaSA is large enough for 4 to 6 people. With only 500 Rand difference between the pot sizes, my advice is to get the 4-liter. That way, you can cook enough food for leftovers the next day, saving you even more time and money. I actually enjoy washing my RemoskaSA more so than my oven dish or my air fryer because there's a lot less to clean and it's incredibly easy and fast. My RemoskaSA is also more hygienic too and packs away completely and conveniently after each use. Like I said guys, I know your time and money are becoming scarce. So whether you're a parent, professional or pensioner, this magical little all-in-one pot cooker will end up paying for itself within the first year of use. Check out the RemoskaSA Facebook page or website for more information, or get in touch about any exclusive offers. Oh yes, and special thanks to Tony from RemoskaSA too for bringing one of Europe's top-selling cooking appliances to South Africa. We really needed this. Thanks for watching, and remember to see the link below for details if you want better tasting meals that use up to 80% less electricity. This portable all-in-one cooker is an absolute godsend, and I'm saving loads by using less electricity, which you can too. Visit the RemoskaSA website at www.remoskasa.co.za to get in touch today. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the free tips.